Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, battery level above 20% and the physical key at hand, because power or backup matters. Open the Smonet app, sign in, and select the correct lock. This targets the device. Once done, make sure you are within Bluetooth range or that the Wi-Fi bridge is online. Without a connection, the outside lock command won't reach the lock. Now prepare to send the lock command from the app interface. You now execute the action. Tap the lock or close button in the app, because that sends a secure command to the Smonet lock. If you prefer the keypad, enter your assigned code outside and press the confirm key. This is useful when Bluetooth is unavailable. For guests, choose a temporary or one-time code before sending it. Then watch the app status, wait for a clear locked confirmation or progress indicator so you know the mechanism completed the motion. You finish by verifying. Physically test the handle to ensure it's latched because electronic confirmation sometimes lies. If the bolt didn't move, retry the lock command after 5 seconds and observe the app. If still unresponsive, check battery level, app Bluetooth permissions, and the Wi-Fi bridge connection. As a fallback, power cycle the lock or use the physical key to secure the door. One troubleshooting tip: if the motor hums but doesn't engage,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.